We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
Hi guys, good evening and welcome to another vlog. It's actually Friday, so I'm in a good mood, and I'm like, this week I was extremely busy, extremely tired. I didn't have time to pick up the camera, and I was like, it would be good to just chill with you guys this weekend and do like a weekend in my life vlog. Weekends in my life are usually the same anyway. I have a friend's birthday get together to attend this evening, so I actually just want to look for something that I can wear, something simple, because it's a house party. I don't think it's something big, it's just a house party among us friends. So I just want to look for what I would wear for that, and yeah, do my makeup, look more presentable. How have you guys been? I've missed you guys this week. I have missed talking to you guys this week, seriously. How have you guys been? Yeah.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people, sure know how to drink.
Today is Saturday. I woke up early and I did a skincare video for Instagram, which I'm very happy about because it came out really good, really good. Now I want to have breakfast. I want to have oats. It's past 12. I want to have oats, and I plan to edit and declutter today. I don't know how I'm going to do both, but even if it's 2 hours I spend editing the YouTube video, I would actually do it today. And then I would declutter and then take the clothes out. The clothes that I don't want anymore out, like from the section, I'll be able to declutter today. So basically that's the plan. How are you guys doing? How are you spending your Saturday?
I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, go ahead now, adore me, oh so cruel, oh so cruel.
It's currently 3:58 and I'm done with like shirts, dresses and jean trousers with pants. What?
I used to watch it.
Yes, now. I want to watch something. What do you want to watch?
Are you sure?
Because I want to go and bring another clothes. As long as I'm doing something. But I'm hungry, so I want to go eat. And I'm going to be eating jollof rice because that's the ready-made food that we have that I can eat and then get back to what I'm doing, because I need to finish decluttering and then packing them into the bags that I would take to go drop them off, where you drop like recycled clothes, and come back. I still want to go to the gym today and I still want to edit today, so yeah, this is what it's currently looking like. And over here is what I would be giving out. I want to sort them out into like the ones I can wear and stay at home, because most of the clothes I wear now to stay at home, they're like really old and I don't like them anymore. So I want to take from here and replace those. And this I'm giving to my friend. This I would be hanging, so they're just here. And yeah, oh crap, I almost fell. This is the current situation of the sitting room, but I would sort it out once I'm done. The lighting in my room is just so good. But do I have content to create? I probably do, like if I check my list of content ideas, but I just want to focus on decluttering because I've been putting it off for too long. But this is the cake from the party yesterday. It's an ice cream cake and it's so good, like so good. I'm actually going to reach out to her to find out where she got the cake from. Like, it's just too good. Love it. I'm done. It's past 6 and I finished every single thing. This is the clothes I'm giving out. This huge bag, and this is from Fred. Yeah, I'm done and I'm happy with that. I was able to finish that for today. So what's left on my list of things to do is gym and editing, and I want to go get ready to go to the gym now. I'd have green tea and yeah. I'm on my way to the gym. The plan was to leave the house by 7. It's 7:10 and I have this theory that it's a Saturday, but since it's 7 and Germans like to party, that because it's 7 the gym will be a little bit empty because they'll probably be on their way to go party. So that's why I'm leaving now to go to the gym. Right. Thank you. Yeah. Chose the dog and I'm scared of dogs.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be. Didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow.
I am happy to come and tell you guys that my theory was very correct. Germans like to party, so the gym was empty. Whew, like not literally empty. There were, of course, a few people, but it felt like it was like the same amount of people that come in the morning by 6. Like, it was that empty, and I was able to just do my workout on time. And now it's 9:02. That's when it starts, yeah, I call that I sit by themselves, talking to the moon, try to get to you.
I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe. Sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you, did it for love. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. I just had breakfast and I'm watching Next in Fashion. Next in Fashion. It's like Project Runway. I used to watch Project Runway a lot. I think I've watched up to like season 12. That one is hosted by Heidi Klum and Tim Gunn, I think. I really like that show. Yeah, but it's not on Netflix, so I just found out that it's on Hulu. But Next in Fashion is just like that. I want to finish Next in Fashion and then watch season 13 on Hulu. Yeah, this is real. I use CapCut to edit, and I always try to like find the sound I want to use before I start editing, so I can edit the clips to go with the sound. Like if I need to slow the video, if I need to make it fast and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically just what I'm doing. I should be done with it by 4 actually. Yeah, because I'm done. I've already taken out the parts that I need, so now I just need to edit them properly and write the caption. So yeah. It is currently past 6 and I just finished editing the video for Instagram. Let me show you. I like it. Like, it looks so good. Like, the vision I had came to life. Like, I actually really like it. It's so nice and short. Yeah. So, why is this blurry? What? Can you focus? It's weird. Hold on. So we haven't taken out the clothes and it's 6:37. But yeah, I want to actually start editing the YouTube video now. I'll just try to do as much as I can. Yeah, but I really like the Instagram video, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do. I post a lot more there. Like, I'm really enjoying short content like reels, and I want to do more of like talking reels, like not voiceovers, like reels where I'm actually talking. So I want to learn how to shorten my sentences just so I don't talk a lot in the reel and I can still make like 30-second short reel, but with me actually talking. So the way I would edit the things I say for voiceovers, I think I would try to have a script and edit it, then say it in the reel. Yeah, but please follow me on Instagram. It's not easy
I like it, but it's not easy. So please follow me, support me, and thank you. I've actually finished watching Next in Fashion. So now I'm watching You, season 4. It's a nice series. I like it. Like, I've been watching it since season 1. Yeah. And there's nothing else that I want to see except Project Runway. Well, I want to watch You first, then I would watch that while I'm editing the YouTube video.